Hey everyone, in this session we are going to discuss about the newly rolled out feature in Microsoft Power BI Desktop in February 2020, which is the updates for the new ribbon. So in February 2020, few major updates are introduced in this new ribbon. So first one is the title bar update. Now from the February version we have this save option, undo and redo option back again. Also, we have the sign in capability on the right hand side available over here. Now, with this, some key tips functionality is also being introduced. So now, let me explain you this key tips functionality in detail so you will love this feature. So first of all, press Alt plus Windows key from your keyboard shortcut. So you can see here, it is showing us this type of key shortcuts. So let's say for an example, if I wish to go to the view menu, I just need to press V. If I need to go to the insert, I just need to press I. If I wish to go to the modeling option, I just need to press M. So now let's go to the modeling option. So whenever I press M, we have this shortcuts available over here. So let's say for an example, if we want to create new table, we just need to type NT from our keyboard shortcut. Same way, if we want to create a new parameter, we just need to type W. So these are the shortcuts. So let's say for an example, I don't want to go to the modeling option right now and I want to go to the insert option. So I just need to press escape key. So we are going back to our menu option. Now let me press I key from the keyboard, and now here we have the different option. So let's say for an example, if I want to add text box, I just need to press E from my shortcut key. So it will add automatically this text box over here. So this is a really very useful feature. So let me just remind you the shortcuts. Press Alt plus Windows key. So you will be showing this menu option. Now you just need to click any of the key. Let's say for an example, we want to go view, so we will type V key, and then we have this another options that, let's say if we want to enable bookmark pen, we just need to press B, so it will show the bookmark pen for us. So this is how we can easily use these key tips to navigate in between the ribbon. Now one more thing, let's say for an example, when you press Alt plus Windows key and you have selected any of the menu key, now you just wish to navigate to your other option, so you can use the arrow key from here. Now if you wish to navigate in between the menu and the options, so that for that you just need to press the tab key, and after pressing tab key you can use your arrow keys to navigate your menu option. So this is how you can easily use this key tips feature for your newly updated ribbon. So this is really amazing feature that you can leverage for your development purpose. Isn't it amazing? If you have any question related to this concept, you can email me at dhruvinsha16@gmail.com, or you can WhatsApp me on +91 9537981467. If you are for the first time to my channel, hit the subscribe button and press the bell notification to never miss any updates from my channel. Also, stay connected with me on all social media platforms like Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter and WhatsApp. If you wish to receive the daily notification from my channel, click on this link. This will redirect you to this form. Fill the form and you will be receiving the daily notification on your WhatsApp number. Stay connected with me. Have a great day. Goodbye.